Hi, and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to generate accurate SEO-optimized product descriptions using Pics to description directly from your product images. First, install the Pics to Description app from the Shopify App Store. For this tutorial, we'll generate a description individually. Bulk generation is also available. You can find more tutorials on our website. Next, go to Products in your Shopify admin and select the product you want to update. Before continuing, save the product and set its status to draft. This is recommended while editing descriptions. Now, click More Actions in the top right corner of the product page. Select Pics to Description. You'll see three sections: General, Manage Instructions, and Plan. In Manage Instructions, you can create and save your own prompts. This makes it easy to reuse instructions and match your brand's tone of voice. To generate a description, choose how you want the content created. You can generate text using AI based on your product title and images, or extract text directly from the selected images. The app can even extract text from images in different languages. You can also add extra instructions, such as using bullet points, highlighting the brand, or focusing on key features and benefits. When you're ready, click Generate Description. In just a few seconds, a ready-to-publish SEO-optimized description is created. Once the description is generated, choose how you want to apply it. You can replace the existing description, or add the new content before or after it. Then click Update Product Description. You'll see a description updated confirmation at the bottom of your screen. Finally, click your browser's back arrow to return to the product page. Review the new description and change the product status to active. And that's it. Your product description is now more accurate, engaging, and optimized to perform, scale, and rank in your e-commerce store.